Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive, Caringbah. So this is the actual Astra turbo that we were working on before, just checking doing the full check over before. So see how the brake pads really low on the rear. The front one is pretty big. See the front one? See how thick the front one is? That's your brake pads. Pretty much. See my finger is? That's just from there to the other side. That's your front. That's the thickness of your brake pads. If you look at the rear one, compared to the front one, it's really low. So we're doing the brake pads, replacing the brake pads today. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to replace the brake fluid. See the brake fluid there. See the color of the brake fluid. I don't think this brake fluid's been done for a long time. Been replaced. So I'm gonna flush the brake fluid out, put new brake fluid into this car here, and then we're gonna actually see the oil leak from there. That's the bottom sump. We're getting the parts later on, and then I'll take this one here off and double check the timing of this car here. And at the same time, I'm gonna change the cam cover gasket and the lower cam cover gaskets, the lower oil sump gaskets, and just fix up all the stuff on top here. And then we'll go from there. Alright. Actually, one more thing, I'm going to pull the drive shaft out on that side there, front left, because the boot's been torn off, there's nothing left. There's no grease inside the drive shaft bearing, so it's going to be noisy when you're turning. So I'm going to pull that off and get a reconditioned one. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.